Imagine this. A planet named Chad is on a collision course with Earth. It's a scary thought. Could it really happen? The idea of another planet hurtling towards us is the stuff of science fiction. But let's delve deeper into this scenario. What would it be like? The sheer force of two planets colliding would unleash unimaginable energy, causing massive destruction. Let's explore this cosmic what-if scenario. Picture the vastness of space where countless celestial bodies move in a delicate dance governed by gravity. In the vastness of space, collisions are not uncommon. Asteroids and comets frequently collide with planets, including Earth. Asteroids and comets have hit Earth before. But a planet-sized impact? That would be catastrophic. The energy released would be millions of times greater than any asteroid impact we've ever experienced. The good news is, there's no planet named Chad lurking nearby, ready to smash into us. Our solar system is relatively stable, and the planets follow predictable orbits. However, thinking about this hypothetical collision can teach us a lot about the universe and our place in it. It helps us understand the dynamics of celestial bodies and the forces that shape our cosmos. It reminds us that we live on a fragile planet, constantly moving through space. Our existence is precarious, and we must cherish and protect our home. It also highlights the awesome power of cosmic events. Supernovae, black holes, and planetary collisions are reminders of the incredible forces at play in the universe. These events, while rare, shape the cosmos in profound ways. By studying these phenomena, scientists gain insights into the origins and evolution of our universe. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding the mysteries of space. So, while the idea of a planet named Chad colliding with Earth is purely fictional, it serves as a powerful reminder of the wonders and dangers that lie beyond our world. Planetary collisions were common in the early solar system. It was a chaotic time. Planets were forming and bumping into each other. These collisions played a crucial role in shaping the solar system we see today. For example, our moon is thought to have formed from a giant impact early in Earth's history. Today, planetary collisions are much rarer, but they're still possible. Let's say a rogue planet, like our imaginary Chad, wandered into our solar system. If it got too close to Earth, gravity would take over. The two planets would hurtle towards each other at incredible speeds. The moment of impact would be unimaginable. Imagine an explosion so powerful that it makes the largest nuclear bomb look like a firecracker. The energy released would vaporize a huge chunk of both planets. Molten rock and superheated gas would be blasted out into space. The shock waves from the impact would travel around the Earth at supersonic speeds. These shock waves would trigger massive earthquakes and volcanic eruptions on a global scale. The devastation would be instant and widespread. No place on Earth would be safe from the initial impact and its immediate aftermath. The earthquakes triggered by the impact would be unlike anything ever experienced. They would be so powerful that they could literally reshape continents. Mountain ranges would crumble. New fault lines would appear. The very ground beneath our feet would become unstable. Volcanoes around the world would erupt with unprecedented fury. They would spew out lava, ash, and toxic gases into the atmosphere. These eruptions would darken the skies and create a suffocating blanket of volcanic ash. The air would become thick with poisonous gases, making it impossible to breathe. A Section 5 Atmospheric Armageddon. The air we breathe no more. The impact would also have catastrophic effects on Earth's atmosphere. The heat from the impact would vaporize vast quantities of water. This water vapor, along with dust and debris, would be thrown high into the atmosphere. This would create a dense cloud layer that would block out the sun. With the sun blocked, Earth would plunge into a period of prolonged darkness. Temperatures would plummet, leading to a global ice age. The lack of sunlight would also kill off plants, disrupting the food chain and leading to widespread extinctions. Section 6. Oceans in turmoil. Tsunamis of unfathomable scale. The impact would unleash unimaginable tsunamis. These walls of water, miles high, would race across the globe at hundreds of miles per hour. Coastal cities would be completely obliterated. Entire islands would be submerged beneath the waves. The oceans would become a churning cauldron of destruction. Even inland areas would not be spared. The tsunamis would travel far inland, carrying debris and destruction with them. The oceans themselves would be poisoned by the debris from the impact. marine life would be decimated, further disrupting the planet's delicate ecosystems. Section 7. Life on the Brink, the Struggle for Survival. This chapter delves into the harrowing aftermath of a catastrophic event that has left our planet on the brink of collapse. In the aftermath of the impact, the Earth would be a hostile and desolate place. The once vibrant landscapes would be reduced to barren wastelands, with craters marking the scars of destruction. The air would be unbreathable, filled with toxic smoke and dust. The water sources, once pure and life-sustaining, would become contaminated and undrinkable. The land, cracked and barren, would no longer support the lush vegetation that once thrived. Most life on Earth would be wiped out. Forests would stand as graveyards of dead trees, and the skeletal remains of animals would be a stark reminder of the mass extinction. Only the hardiest of organisms, like insects and certain resilient species, like extremophiles that thrive in extreme environments, would have a chance of survival. These organisms, adapted to the harshest conditions, would find a way to endure. They would continue to thrive in environments that would be inhospitable to most other forms of life. If any humans managed to survive the initial impact, they would emerge from underground shelters, stepping into a world that is unrecognizable. They would face a desperate struggle for survival in a world forever changed. Scavenging for resources, they would need to adapt quickly to the new reality. They would need to find shelter from the harsh environment, secure food and water, and learn new ways to hunt and gather. Rebuilding society from the ground up would be a monumental task. Communities would need to come together, pooling their skills and resources to create new structures, cultivate food, and ensure the survival of the human race. The struggle for survival would be a testament to human resilience and ingenuity. Section 8. The Aftermath, a Transformed Earth. In the wake of a cataclysmic event, the Earth would be left in a state of desolation, a barren landscape shrouded in dust and debris. The horizon would hold a faint glimmer of hope, a promise of recovery. Over millions of years, the Earth would slowly recover from the impact. The atmosphere would clear, the oceans would calm, and the skies would once again be clear, signaling the beginning of a long and arduous journey towards healing. New life would emerge from the once desolate soil. Plants would sprout, and wildlife would begin to reclaim the recovering forests, creating a vibrant tapestry of life where there was once only silence. But the planet would be forever changed. The landscape would bear the scars of the past, with visible geological changes and altered terrain forming new and unfamiliar formations. The continents would be rearranged, their positions shifted by the immense forces unleashed by the impact. The world map as we know it would be redrawn, creating a new global landscape. The climate would be different, with new weather patterns emerging and diverse climate zones developing. The balance of nature would be altered, leading to unpredictable and dynamic environmental conditions. The dominant life forms would likely be very different from what came before. New species would rise to prominence, adapting to the changed environment and thriving in ways that were previously unimaginable. The impact would be a reminder of the immense power of the universe, a testament to the forces that shape our world. The remnants of the massive collision would stand as a monument to the event that forever altered the course of Earth's history, and the fragility of life on Earth would be starkly evident. Delicate ecosystems would struggle to find balance, and the resilience of life would be tested in the face of such overwhelming change. It would be a cosmic reset button, wiping the slate clean and offering a fresh start. The opportunity for renewal and rebirth would be a powerful force, driving the evolution of life in new and unexpected directions. And so, a new chapter in Earth's history would begin. The dawn of a new era, filled with possibilities and challenges, would mark the start of a journey towards a transformed and resilient planet. Section 9. Could we survive? The quest for a lifeline. Could humanity survive such a catastrophic event? The odds would be stacked against us. But humans are resourceful and resilient. If we had enough warning, we might be able to develop technologies to deflect the incoming planet or build underground shelters to ride out the impact. We could also try to establish self-sustaining colonies on other planets or moons, creating a backup plan for humanity. However, such endeavors would require global cooperation, immense resources, and technological advancements far beyond our current capabilities. Section 10. Cosmic Guardians. protecting our pale blue dot. The hypothetical scenario of Earth colliding with Chad highlights the importance of planetary defense. While the risk of such an event is low, the consequences are too great to ignore. Scientists are actively searching for potentially hazardous asteroids and comets. They are also developing strategies to deflect or destroy any objects that pose a threat to Earth. Space agencies like NASA and ESA are investing in missions to study asteroids and test deflection technologies. Early detection and preparedness are key to mitigating the risk of cosmic impacts. Section 11. Reflections on our cosmic place. The thought of Earth colliding with another planet is a sobering reminder of our place in the universe. We are but a small planet orbiting an average star in a vast and awe-inspiring cosmos. It underscores the importance of understanding our cosmic surroundings, studying the universe, and appreciating the preciousness of life on Earth. While we should be prepared for the possibility of cosmic threats, we should also marvel at the beauty and wonder of the universe and strive to protect our pale blue dot, the only home we've ever known.